Hey everyone, welcome to Megaphone. Today's episode is Butterfly Knife Shuts Down Newgrounds Arrested Grounded. Enjoy.
Man, I hate Newgrounds so much. All songs, and any of those. What should I do now? I know, I will shut down Newgrounds. And all GD players won't be able to use songs anymore. Let's go to the building. Here's the computer. I am going to turn off Newgrounds. Yes. Now let's get out of here.
Breaking news. There is a shutdown for Newgrounds. All Newgrounds art, audio, and games are out. All the Geometry Dash players trying to download songs when in Newgrounds, they all don't work anymore. You know we have to do something about them. The NCS songs and the music library in GD are still useful. At all time, Newgrounds is your year of a chance. We will continue this situation about Newgrounds' disappearance in the next update.
Alright, time to play Mahu.
I wanna see it all brighter. I should learn to let it go.
Why? Why is the song not allowed for use? What is going on? I am going to ask Firecracker Blade if it has the same connection to the song. I don't know why it is happening.
I am going to go to Newgrounds. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Newgrounds has shut down. Oh god.
Newgrounds. Oh my god, I cannot believe Newgrounds has shut down. Why am I going to do without Newgrounds?
Bamboo shoot. What is going on?
Leprechaun's hat. Newgrounds is deleted forever. This means we can't download songs.
No on oh no on oh no no on oh no on oh no no oh no on oh no on oh no on onanin. Wobbly tooth crunchy egg
Perseverance. NG cutter.
Coffee with Gene.
Leprechaun's hat and bamboo shoot. Why are you two throwing a fit? Is that happening?
Mr. Sparkle, Newgrounds is gone forever. What are we going to do without Newgrounds?
What? Damn it.
So, the NCS songs and music library songs are allowed for use, but Newgrounds has taken down all the songs and they're not allowed. Oh my goodness, what am I going to play Newgrounds songs levels without songs in Newgrounds? Firecracker Blade, Moonlit Moth, and Bamboo Shoot, what are you doing there? Piano Blade, Newgrounds is down, what are we going to do? And, we can't download all songs from Newgrounds because they are not available to use on map packs, gauntlets, and more, and even NCS and NCS2 gauntlets have songs that are allowed. Guess who are the one who shut down Newgrounds?
It was Butterfly Knife.
Oh my god, I cannot believe Butterfly Knife is the only one who shut down Newgrounds. What are we going to do?
Well, let's find out.
Breaking news. Geometry Dash Lite and YouTube have a solution to replace Newgrounds. What will be happening to get a new logo soon? Anyways, let's name our new platform. This will be the best platform ever. Let's face our GD Lite and YouTube all around. I hope it was successful.
Well, get ready to name a new platform.
Alright, YouTube. We're going to name a new platform. Just name it Newgrounds or a different name. Just name it Newgrounds. Fine, just name it Newgrounds.
Yes.
Geometry-Light and YouTube replaced Newgrounds into Newgrounds. And for that, Newgrounds will bring back all songs from Newgrounds that is down in every GD player. It will take 2 hours to make songs allowed for use. It was Butterfly Knife. Butterfly Knife, if you're watching this right now, you are in Geometry-Light. I hope Cloudy Skies punishes him so hard. Anyways, it was a good time.
I am gonna try to download the song. Yes, gets. The song is allowed now. Yes.
Butterfly Knife, come here right now. I need to talk right now about you.
What's going on, Cloudy Skies?
Butterfly Knife, are you the one who shut down Newgrounds for 40 days? Thanks to you, every Blades and Dojos are completely pissed about Newgrounds going down and songs getting not allowed for use for every song. And now, songs from Newgrounds getting down are now allowed for use. And Newgrounds is now replaced as Newgrounds, and all data is the same as Newgrounds. So now of you disappearing the Newgrounds building, I have to pay $1 million to reconstruct the building that you made Newgrounds turn off. And now for that, you are grounded for 3 months. Your Geometry Dash is in GD Light. Go to your bed now.
Sage.
Stop changing into scrambled words. You know that you get.
Why? I cannot believe Newgrounds is back. I hope this won't happen ever again.
Well, yes, it's not like I am playing GD the whole time. All songs are back.
But Butterfly Knife is the only one who shut down Newgrounds. Way too much. I hope it won't how it gets down again.
Yes, and all songs are allowed for use, but all songs came back, so we won't be able to use G-Box Squadrons or the Geometry Dash anymore. Why I didn't win.
Butterfly Knife, you are under arrest for shutting down Newgrounds. Do you even realize that Newgrounds is replaced as Newgrounds, and songs aren't working? How dare you? And all the songs are back. You are coming with me. At least you are staying here for a week.
No on.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to one of the videos. Be sure to follow our official YouTube channel for information. Goodbye.